Hey everyone, welcome back to English in Daily Life. I'm Eric.
And I'm Jessica. We're so happy you're here.
Today's episode is all about small talk at work. You know, those short, friendly conversations we have with coworkers.
Yes, small talk helps you sound natural and confident in English. So grab your coffee or tea and let's practice together.
Before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow our podcast for more English lessons every week.
Okay, ready? Let's get started.
Let's start with something easy. At work, when you see a coworker, you can say, "Good morning," or "Hey, how are you today?"
Yes, simple and friendly. Listen again. Hey, how are you today? Let's repeat together. Hey, how are you today?
Good job. Now, how do you answer? You can say, "I'm good, thanks. How about you?" That's friendly and polite.
Here's a short dialogue. Eric, hey, how are you today? Jessica, I'm good, thanks. How about you? Eric, doing great, thanks.
Perfect. That's real and simple English you can use every morning.
Next, a classic small talk topic, the weather.
Yes. Everyone talks about the weather, right? You can say, "It's so sunny today." Or, "Wow, it's really cold this morning."
Try this with me. It's a beautiful day today. Great.
And you can answer with something like, "Yes, it's perfect." Or, "I hope it stays like this."
Let's make a mini conversation. Jessica, it's so sunny today. Eric, yes, it's perfect. I love sunny days. Me too. It makes me happy.
Nice job. That's small talk. Short, friendly, and natural.
Okay, now let's talk about work. At the office, people often say things like, "How's your day going?" or "Are you busy today?"
Good ones. Let's listen to a short example. Hey, Eric, are you busy today?
A little bit. I have a meeting at 10. How about you?
Same here. Busy morning.
You see? Short, friendly, and easy. This kind of talk helps you sound natural at work.
You can also say, how was your weekend? Did you do anything fun?
Here's an example. How was your weekend?
It was good. I went to the park. How about you?
Nice. I just relaxed at home.
Perfect small talk. Notice how we used easy verbs. Went, relaxed. You can use your own ideas, like I watched a movie or I cooked dinner.
All right. How do we end a small talk politely? You can say, "Okay, I'll see you later." Or, "Have a nice day." Or, "Talk to you soon."
Let's practice together. Repeat after me. See you later. Pause. Have a nice day. Pause. Good job.
Here's one more short dialogue. Eric. "Okay, I have to go to a meeting. See you later." Jessica. "Sure, have a nice day."
Simple, friendly, and polite. That's the key.
Let's review what we learned today.
We practiced small talk at work. Saying hello. Hey, how are you today? Talking about the weather. It's a beautiful day. Asking about work or weekend. Are you busy today? Or how was your weekend? Ending the chat. See you later.
Excellent job, everyone. Remember, small talk builds connection and confidence. Use one of these phrases at work tomorrow.
And we'd love to hear from you. Tell us in the comments. What's one thing you say to your coworkers in the morning? Don't forget to follow, like, and share if you found this helpful.
You're doing amazing. Keep practicing, and we'll see you next time.
Bye for now.
Bye.